Okay, today I'm replacing the fog lights on my car. It's 28 years old. They still work, by the way. This one's been cracked for a while, and just recently the whole lens popped off of that. But there we go. I'll turn them on for a second. Still work. But anyway, this is the way the new lights look. So I got them from Late Model Restoration. Let's see, 87 through 93 Mustang GT fog lights. I think they're well made. Pretty good. This one's plug. Shouldn't be hard to put on. This is a number 17. I just checked that out. So shouldn't be easy, and see what we come up with. I also have that car, so I still got to replace this cable right here. This may be what I use for the ground. Okay, and there's the new alternator. Love it. 140, truly one wire. Here's that cable, the red cable I'm going to be putting on there. And then, actually this is that ground I was talking about, right here with this green tag. I'm grounded over here somewhere. Okay. Right there is the bolt. A little penetrating oil, it's never going to hurt anything on that. And the plug. Okay. How much easier could it be? Hit that too. And there you have it. It looks much better. Very happy with them. Here's that new alternator, and that's just a little bit of noise. I like it. Some racing, one wire. Okay, until next time. Also, I didn't get around to installing the new cable or wire, but I do want to install it. It should be sitting like that. I can do that another time. And here they are, 28 years old, still work. I'll just keep them as parts. I don't know what I'll do with them. Maybe I'll need who knows. Frito, go home.